This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Ann Davis. Welcome home to your beach house oasis with no lawn maintenance to tend. Greeted by a lovely pond when you arrive to your private parking space with easy access to the stairs, leading you to your third floor haven. Very private with large deck for growing you favorite herbs and flowers just in time for summer. The bay is minutes away with beach access. You'll find breweries and restaurants all along the Chesapeake Bay Front. This home is also close to military bases, interstates and grocery stores. Come home to the relaxing lifestyle where friends and family will always want to visit. May 17, 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Ann Davis at 757-486-8800.